Dear friends, we try to do this problem. In triangle ABC, prove that sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 minus sin C by 2 equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus A by 4 cos pi minus B by 4 sin pi minus C by 4. Solution. In triangle ABC, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So given A plus B plus C equal to 180. But in the place of 180, I have written pi. Because in RHS, we see pi. Hence, I have written pi instead of 180. As I said in the earlier video, if you see pi in either of the sides, begin the problem with RHS and end with LHS. So I will start the problem with RHS. Minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus A by 4 cos pi minus B by 4 sin pi minus C by 4. Don't disturb this minus 1 till the end of the problem. Don't disturb this minus 1. Not only in this problem, any problem of this kind, better don't disturb the number here. So I am having minus 1. So I will maintain minus 1 till the end of the problem. So minus 1 plus, split this 4 as 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Separate this C term, sin pi minus C by 4 term, separate this. Make use of these two terms having A and B. As 4 is written as 2 into 2 and kept C term aside, the remaining are cos pi minus A by 4, cos pi minus B by 4. This is in the form of, treat this as A, this as B, then we can see the formula cos 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula of 2 cos A cos B? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Which means problem is observed in the form of 2 cos A cos B. You have to write cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The earlier terms are as it is. Bracket term will change as cos A plus B. In the formula you are having plus. So plus cos A minus B. A minus after bracket pi minus B by 4. Now do LCM. Minus 1 plus 2 sin pi minus C by 4 as it is cos. Do LCM. LCM is 4. The numerator is pi minus A plus pi minus B plus cos. LCM is 4 pi minus CA, multiply minus inside, minus pi plus B. Drop this minus 1 plus 2 sines pi minus C by 4 as it is. As it is. In the place of pi, you are having pi 2 times. Leave 1 pi as it is. In the place of pi, I can write a plus b plus c. Plus a minus a cancel, plus b minus b cancel. The remaining is pi and c. The remaining are pi and c. So pi plus c by 4 plus, here plus pi minus pi gets cancelled, minus a and plus b are remaining. One term is negative, the other is positive. In such case, we write positive first, negative later. So, positive term b, negative term minus a. So, b minus a by 4. Now, minus 1 remain as it is. Multiply this 2 sine pi minus c by 4 inside to these two terms. 2 cos pi plus c by 4 into sine pi minus c by 4 plus into plus 2 cos b minus a by 4 into sine pi minus c by 4. If you observe, you can see this as a and this as b. The same here. Take this as a, this as b. What do you observe? 2 cos a sin b. Here also 2 cos a sin b. What is 2 cos a sin b formula? Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Here in both the terms you have to use this formula. 2 cos a cos b equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. So minus 1 as it is plus sin a plus b minus sin a minus b sin a minus b. For this we have to use this formula once. Again for this we have to use the formula for second time. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. For this again I have to use the same formula. You are having plus, so plus sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Now in the next step we have to take LCM. See here, minus 1 plus sin, by taking LCM 4, I got pi plus c plus pi minus c minus sin, again LCM, the numerator, plus sin, again LCM, minus sin, again the LCM. After getting this step, we can cancel plus c minus c. What is remaining? Pi plus pi, 2 pi by 4. So minus 1 plus sin 2 pi by 4 minus sin. Here we can cancel plus pi minus pi. The remaining are c plus c is 2c by 4 plus, in the place of pi we can write a plus b plus c. We can cancel plus a minus a plus c minus c. In the place of pi I have written. So what are the remaining? B and b are remaining. So b plus b, 2b by 4 minus sin. In the place of minus pi, we can write minus a, minus b, minus c. Then plus b minus b gets cancelled, plus c minus c gets cancelled. The remaining are minus a, minus a. So minus 2a. Denominator is 4. We can cancel 2 table here. 2, 2, 2 and 2. Minus 1 plus sine pi by 2 means 90. Minus sine c by 2 plus sine b by 2. Sine minus theta. Sine minus theta means minus sine theta. So, sine minus theta, you have to write it as minus sine theta. So, minus into minus plus sine theta means a by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Keep it in the order sine a by 2 plus sine b by 2 minus sine c by 2. This is our LHS, because we started our problem with RHS. This is our LHS. So that equal to LHS. Hence the problem is over.